Hi guys, it's Sebastian Bates here, the founder of the Warrior Academy and the host of the Warrior Academy podcast. Today I wanted to share with you a short chapter from the book Not a Victim. Not a Victim is a book I wrote in 2021 with the sole aim of helping parents mentor their children through the very, very difficult transition of bullying. I also recorded it as an audiobook, so if you'd like to have that book, then listen to this chapter, get a feel for what it's all about, and then have a look on Spotify or Audible for the audiobook, or even on Amazon for the physical book if you like a paper-based book. I really hope that it helps you prepare your child for the eventuality of going through bullying. Bullying is an inevitable but difficult transition that most of us go through in our lives. And as parents, I think it's really important we act proactively to prepare our children for the eventuality of having to go through it themselves. We can't always be there for our children, but we can give them the tools. We can empower them to face life's obstacles on their own. I hope you enjoy this chapter. Chapter 1. The world has changed. Are you ready? While writing Not a Victim, we were working at an incredibly deep level with hundreds of parents whose children were facing bullying through our Not a Victim workshops. Naively, when we began these workshops, we believed that parents would be ready and open to helping, that any additional insights parents could gain to help mentor their child through a difficult stage would be welcomed. We wanted to create a level of support that my parents never had, that would have eased the pain, the helplessness and hopelessness that we saw in their eyes, just as we had seen in the hundreds of parents we had worked with previously. Children don't go through bullying alone. It's a shared journey, the importance of which will become vividly clear. Instead, we discovered that a huge number of parents were not ready to be helped. So, before we share with you our Not a Victim process, a system that has enabled hundreds to overcome bullying, we need to first ensure that you are ready to work with us, with your child, and with yourself. At the workshops, we always know quickly who is ready and who is resistant based on their body language. A defensive posture with arms folded and avoiding eye contact indicates a reluctance to participate. It means that these parents are experiencing bullying. They are reliving bullying. Their defenses are up because they have watched their children go through bullying. They have shared every moment of fear, pain, doubt, anxiety, depression, anger, and frustration. If we are able to spot ourselves falling into this state, we have a better chance of engaging the neocortex of our brains, where our visionary mindset is located. Then we are able to respond in the most positive way. For parents of a child being bullied, that translates into mentoring your child from a far more positive position, with a more proactive and less reactive approach, which will accelerate the speed at which they make it through this difficult transition. Managing emotional triggers. I really hope you enjoyed today's Warrior Academy podcast episode. We're going to keep creating these episodes because I know that so many parents find them useful or get insights or get ideas about how to develop their child's character. But it all comes down to the 3 C's: confidence, conduct, and concentration. So if you want to get a deep insight into the levels of confidence your child has, the level of concentration they have, or the level of conduct they have, so that you can actually put a score next to it and then work towards increasing those scores like we do in the Warrior Academy, then I'd love to invite you to fill in the breakthrough area assessment. It takes about 5 minutes of your time and you will get a personalized PDF report on your child's 3 C's. To access the breakthrough area assessment and find out your child's 3 C's score, all you need to do is go to www.breakthrougharea.com.